Do I want to buy this ninja shirt? I'll decide later. Let me just select the portion I want and clip it right into Evernote. Evernote is my external brain. Anytime I see something I want to remember, in this case flights to Tokyo, I just select the portion I care about and pop it right into my Evernote account. Here's the Mac client. I can see all the notes that I've clipped. Here are those flights with all the text and URLs in place. And here's that t-shirt. You can see the original images there. Let's search for more ninjas. I just type in a keyword, and Evernote shows me all the results. Evernote can actually search for words inside of pictures. For example, in this image, let me just clear the results. As I type in keywords, ninja, warrior, click here, I can see Evernote highlighting where it thinks those words appear in the picture. All this information is indexed and available for searching. Let's try another search. Ninjas love sake, but I can never remember my favorite brand. I can just keep typing in keywords to narrow down my search until I get just the one I want. Milky. As you can see, I've also added some information at the bottom to help me find this later. So it's easy to clip and find things I see online, but what about in the real world? Evernote's great here as well. Every time I meet someone or see something I want to remember, business card, receipt, wine label, I just take a picture with my phone and send it to Evernote. Then it's indexed and available for me forever. Here I'm browsing through some business cards I have on file. I can search these by name or company or anything else, or just browse them graphically. There's lots of other ways to get information into Evernote. For example, let's try photo booth. I can just hold up this ticket stub that I want to remember. And drag it right from photo booth into Evernote. Now it's in my account. It'll be indexed, searchable, and available to me whenever I want. But what good is remembering everything if I can't find it later? With Evernote, I can synchronize any or all of my data to the network and find it later from anywhere I want. Here's the web version that runs completely in a browser. I can do the same kinds of things as in the desktop: searching, tagging, browsing, even clipping. And I don't need to install any software. Let's search for that ticket stub. America, Venetian, CES. There it is. As you can see, Evernote does a pretty decent job with handwritten text as well. I can also publish my notes and share them with my friends or the whole world, but it's a topic for another movie. But what if I need to look up some information out in the real world and I don't have my laptop with me? No problem. The Evernote mobile web client can be used from just about any mobile phone or PDA. Here I'm showing it on the Google Android emulator, but it'll work with the real phone as well. After logging in, I have access to all of my notes as before. I can browse, I can search, I can create new notes. I can even make audio recordings if the phone allows me. Let's say I want to find that body shop where my car is being fixed. Well, I type in some keywords, auto collision. I remember it was a photo of a sticky. Let's do a search. And there it is. With Evernote, any information that I want to find is always close at hand. We also have a great Windows version that lets you search, tag, share, and do the other kinds of things you just saw, and has a few other nifty features, like this endless tape view, which basically gives you a big scrolling tape of all your memories, and the time band view, which lets you jump to any place in your life with one click. Now you can access your Evernote external brain from any PC, Mac, web browser, or phone. Now there's a ton of other features which I didn't have time to show you, so if you want to learn more, the best thing to do is keep reloading this page until more movies show up. Or you can go to evernote.com and try it for yourself. That's probably better. Thanks.